Yeah, when someone can nung nakatulog ka sa live. Yeah, okay, kinulig ako dun. Actually. Kasi I didn't think na Mika would call me. And then that late. Oh, I remember din. There was a time na tulog ako kasi, nakatulog ako kasi, basta sobrang, I remember I was so tired that time kasi I had school. I had to do stuff in between for school, assignment. And then after doing assignment, I have to rush to, I have to do training. Tapos, parang basta may ganap kami that time. Tapos pagka uwi ko, as in nakatulog agad ako with makeup on. I was that tired, like, as in pagka drop ko ng stuff, like, oh my God. As in like, dead. That was it when I woke up. Mika's like removing my makeup. Yeah. Tapos ako nagulat ako. Sabi ko, kasi ganun ako. Tapos, that was when we were in Beanie House. Tapos sabi ko, akala ko kukunin ako ni Lord. Kasi, next thing I saw was Mika's face na, tapos nakaganon siya. So parang ako parang, gano'n. As in, nagulat ako. Tapos she was removing my makeup pala. Yan. Actually, Mika has this, Mika has this, parang, siguro if people don't know Mika, parang first impression, siguro baka, oh, she's strong. Especially when we used to do lives. Tapos, kami lahat nagtatawan. Tapos, she would be in the corner, parang, but actually, she's softy. Yeah, she's a very softy. Mabilis yan umiyak pag you tell her, like, you tell her stuff. Like mga, basta,